Just making a short video in the middle of the day while I'm, what do you call it? Yeah. Well, hello again. Edit that part out first. Anyway, making a short video because I have one of these things, and one of the things a lot of people don't realize is, well, one, you could change these so often. But the thing about PPE is they need to be cleaned. If you leave them laying around your shop, they tend to get dirty. I don't know if you can notice this. Let me put this thing down a little. This thing, you could see all the dirt on it. There's some laying around. And there's a few channels online that'll tell you that you should clean them pretty often. It's most PPE, even at the fire department. After every time we go down a fire call, we clean all our masks. Except over there, it's more of a in case anybody else has to use your gear. It's nice and clean, and basically nobody's gonna get some case of TB or hepatitis or some other freaking mouth-borne disease. That plus nobody likes to smell. If you're on a fire scene, what do you call it? You have to use someone else's SCBA mask because yours breaks. Nobody likes cigarette breath either. Ugh, it's fucking gross. And a lot of people smoke still, so it's pretty fucking gross. But yeah. I could take this all apart. I'm just giving it a quick cleaning. Just a quick rub down because I'm the only one who uses these. Clean the little diaphragm in there. So yeah, basically just give it a quick cleaning. I should, rent the house, put on some wipes. I'm still using these dog ears. Why? Because they're still good. So I'll put the ears back on. And one of the things I've learned, which is a really good idea, I mean, I probably should have known this already, but if you're going to store these things in your shop, you should probably put them in one of these plastic bags. So I brought a plastic bag from my house just to put them, because I think I have two of them laying around here, and they're getting pretty shmee. There's one. I brought two bags. So yeah, that's my little short tip for today. I don't know where the other one went. Where the hell did it go? I have two of them sitting here. I have one I just brought in, and then there's that one. I have an extra one. I have a bunch of extra dog ears too. So anyway, just a little tip. Clean them up, store them in a bag, or I'm even thinking a bag or even like a clear container with a lid so you can see them. I know sometimes you buy like, I don't know, little jars of whatever, big plastic jars. Grocery store, you can use it to push the lid on. I know what I'm thinking of is I'm thinking of going to buy something for my kids. It's candy. It's about this high. It's about the size of a paint can. It's a plastic lid, and it's perfect because then if I put it on the shelf, I know it's in it, and I could reuse the plastic jar. Anyway, like, subscribe, stay tuned, and watch some videos. Enjoy.